Let me tell you a quick story. I'm Sam Ellis. Most people call me Coach Clarity. Today's lesson comes from right here in the studio, and it comes right here from me, from my heart. I've seen people do this in real life. A homeowner wants more space, so they decide to add a room onto their house. They're excited, they got momentum, but nobody checks the foundation first. They start building up walls, framing, roofing, and for a while, it looks great. Then cracks start showing up. Doors don't close right. Floors slope. And eventually, the whole addition has to come down. Not because the idea was bad, but because growth started before the foundation was clear and solid. That's what happens in business and life. People don't fail because they don't try. They fail because they build on confusion, right? Most people don't fail because they are lazy. They don't fail because they're not smart. And they don't fail because they don't care. What I've seen over the years is this: most things fall apart because growth starts before clarity. People grow businesses without understanding the numbers. Read that one. People grow businesses without understanding the numbers. They grow families without alignment. They grow responsibilities without direction. And at first, it looks like progress. More activity, more motion, more pressure. But underneath it, something's missing. I've watched good people work harder every year and feel more confused every year. I've been there, done that. But because they like effort, it's not that. It's not because they like effort, right? But because clarity was never established first. Growth without clarity doesn't break immediately, it breaks slowly. Stress creeps in, decisions get heavier, small problems turn into big ones, and most people don't realize what's wrong. They just feel that something isn't right. If any of that sounds familiar, you're not behind. You're just at the point where clarity matters. And that's where we start. That's when you see that clarity matters. That's important. In the next module, I want to talk about something most people never connect: how clarity affects your life and family, not just your work. See you in the next video.